Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting a brand new main camera sensor. There's going to be one new camera sensor for all the Galaxy S23 models, and that is going to be the front camera sensor. Samsung is making an entirely new 12-megapixel front camera sensor for all Galaxy S23 models. It's probably going to have larger size as well as wider aperture for even more detailed selfies and videos. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera is being tested as we speak, with more image samples showing that the beast is far more capable than the current smartphone. The 200-megapixel f1.7 aperture sensor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is causing some destruction when put next to the Pixel 7 Pro and Galaxy S22 Ultra. In this sample you can see quite a lot of detail as well as better color balance on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra will take 50-megapixel photos by default rather than 12-megapixel. Ice Universe says Samsung has apparently unlocked great HDR performance even at 50-megapixel mode. It's also been revealed that the S23 Ultra's camera has the widest aperture since the S22 Ultra, which is at f1.7. The custom 200-megapixel sensor that will likely end up in the S23 Ultra, for the first time on a Galaxy S line phone, will also be capable of greatly improved low-light shots. Samsung flagship phones already offer an excellent mic mode in the camera app, so further low-light improvements are likely to lean on hardware upgrades more than on image processing algorithms. Now battery. The battery life of the Galaxy S23 series is expected to get a bump from the utilization of a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, made on the 3M technology, as well as the new old panel generations they may bring to the table. If Samsung goes with a complete redesign and a waterfall display on the Galaxy S23 series, though the S23, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra battery sizes may have to be shrunk and/or capacity lowered, which will offset the more frugal hardware to arrive at the battery life tastes on the S22 models. Samsung may employ cost-cutting methods for the entry-level Galaxy S23 model, which is set to go on sale early next year. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be the Samsung's best try at a flagship phone for 2023, certain features on the normal Galaxy S23 may be cut or downgraded. According to a tip, one area that may see a downgrade is the vibration motor, often known as haptic feedback. Haptic feedback technology allows phone users to receive feedback from their phones through touch. It's possible that the Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will have stronger haptic feedback. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.